So today, you guys, with the videos, yeah, we are. Yeah, girl, we're on a roll.
It's you.
Yeah, it's me.
It's you.
Well, it's me and you.
It's you.
Now we just recorded.
The baby.
I know the baby is here. It's you. T, don't put that on your toes.
Oh.
Eat it. Yeah, eat it. We just recorded a whole nother video as a hair review, but no worries. These are probably not going to be put out on the same day. They might be though. They might be. But today you guys are going to open with me. So let's get to it. I'm so excited. So it got here so fast, you guys. Like, it got here so fast. They did ship through FedEx, and it got here like crazy, stupid fast. I ordered it on the 4th. I placed the order on the 4th, and the hair got here on the 9th. They had really good communication, that I can say. I accidentally had the address for my dad's house, which wouldn't have been a problem. I could have easily went there and got it. But I wanted to go ahead and come here where I live. So I contacted the seller after I made the order, and I was like, yo, you know, I accidentally put in the wrong address. Is it too late to change it? And within a couple of hours, they went ahead and responded back, and they were like, no, you know, you all good. We'll switch it over for you. And I was like, great. And they did. And then it shipped out, I think, the next day, and it's here now today on the 9th. So it took 5 days, counting the weekend, for the hair to get here. I know, girl. We got to take it out. So I ordered a 18-inch 5x5 closure, 20-inch bundle, a 22-inch bundle. Oh, wow. Yeah. And a 24-inch bundle of 613 hair from Monstar hair. And I do plan on coloring and toning it so you guys can be there for that. Because my goal is for this bad boy to be in my head by this weekend. So we have that. So let's start opening it. Okay, so the hair came in this bag, you guys. That says Monstar. And I'm guessing it's really just Monster. But because they put that A there, I'm going to say Monstar. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't. I sound foolish. I feel foolish saying Monstar. But, oh my gosh, my eyeball. But okay. So here's the first bundle. And this is a 24-inch body wave. Hi. Yes. Yes. You look at it with me? Don't you get it dirty with your little hand. So this is a 24-inch body wave. It comes in this plastic packaging and clearly labeled body wave 24-inch. I haven't got some body wave here in a while, you guys. Usually I get like loose teeth waves actually, but I think like my options were, so the label says human hair, and this is how it looks. It's very shiny, very bouncy, very soft looking. I haven't touched it yet. Okay, now it's very soft. Now I'm impressed. Now I'm impressed for real. Like I was impressed at the bounce and the shine, but now I'm impressed at the softness. So right away, I can tell that it has fillers in it. And not necessarily, you know, synthetic fillers, but it has short pieces added to the bundle. So if you see all of that, which I could do without, but they're there. Fillers are there. I see them. I don't know if that's gonna be a huge issue or not. as far as like how the hair looks. It might not be even noticeable once it gets put in, but it's definitely a lot running my hands through it. So we'll see. This hair was not expensive. This hair was, I think, at the end about $190. So, and that was for 613 hair, a 5 closure of 18 inches, a 24, a 20, and a 22-inch bundle. So, I mean, like, can I complain? No. But I would have liked for that to not be that way. I already can tell by feeling the ends that they are going to give me some issues. I know it. They feel like they are. I know that they are. It's going to happen. But this is what happens when I run my fingers through it. So far, actually, no shedding. No shedding. So that's a good thing. No shedding. Loyalty has wrapped herself in a blanket. I guess she wants to go to sleep. But there's no shedding. None. So that is cool. And as far as length, let's see. This is 24 in my head. This is 24 right here. I think it's definitely true to length. Definitely. Because this hair was longer. But keep in mind, I've had it a while. And this hair does shed. So, 24 inches. Yes. Okay. I'm only going to open up actually one of the bundles right now. I'm going to open up the other ones when it's time for me to tone and color the hair. But for now, I'm only going to open up one. And that was the field test. But I am going to go ahead and open up the closure. So I'll put this bad boy back. This hair is cool though, guys. Like, even after I ran my fingers through it, went right back. Now, of course, when I wash it, that's going to be a different story, but we'll find out. Oh, so inside of the bag, they also included this pair of MAC, apparently MAC eyelashes. Ho, ho, ho. Now, I never, ever, ever wear my eyelashes this short. So these will not be going on my eye, but I may put them on my mannequin's head. So there we go. Got some lashes. It's about time Bev got a fresh set. I will go ahead and just show the other bundles. I'm just not going to take them out of their bags. But here is the 24. Here's the 22. And here is the 20. Now, I can say from just hair companies in general, they gave a good bit of hair, girl. This is the 20. But, I mean, look at this 24-inch bundle. Like, they were not stingy with this hair at all. That's another thing I forgot to point out when it was out of the bag. Like, at all. They did awesome. The 24 is actually the exact same size as the 20. Like, I am impressed. They gave a lot of hair. Like, you guys, if you have experience ordering, you know, the longer it gets, the less hair they give based off weight. But, girl, they got some big bundles. Now I'm excited. It just clicked to me. So, they're already, you know, off to a good start. I haven't even washed it, haven't colored it. They are off to an awesome start. I am so excited. So, this is a closure, you guys. It came inside of a bag. It did come in a net. It's the only one of the hair that did come in a net. But here it is. Here's the net. Yes, Muffin. So, 5 by 5 is large. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Okay. It's pretty big. So, I'm excited about that. 5 by 5 inch closure. One thing I can point out as far as like closure materials go, this one is a little thicker than I would like it to be. Thick isn't necessarily a bad thing because it's sturdy, but you know, when you want lace, you want it to be like thin and stretchy. It does stretch. It has some stretch, but it is thicker than I would maybe like it to be. But with it being so light, it's perfect. It's definitely transparent. So it's definitely loyalty. What happened? The lace is definitely transparent in color, but like with thickness, it's thick. It's definitely thicker than the lace I have on right now. So that's kind of like bummer, but you know, I think we're still gonna be okay once it's on. This is how it looks. This is the, now the closure did have shedding. The closure shed. So it has shed. Oh, why? I don't know, girl. But it did it. So the closure shed, it came with some already baby hairs, but I will be plucking this guy and some more. Initially, there was a different ending to this video, you guys. The video was going to be one long video, but honey, that thing was going to be too long. So now we're going to have two videos. This is just the unboxing, and then coming soon, I'm going to go ahead and put the updated review with all the things, you know, as I've been wearing the hair. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you like and comment down below. Do you guys enjoy Loyalty in the videos? You want to see more of her? I have some great things coming up, some great DIY, so just stay tuned. Bye.